So for my brand, I just like to print all the labels and packing slips first before I organize the actual orders themselves or the actual products. And I like to do the shipping label and the packing slip, of course, because in the packing slip, it kind of helps me tell me like what is in the order exactly, what quantity of them, what size of them, and what color. So yeah, that's just how I keep organized with the packing labels. Once I fold all the packing labels, then I like to divide them into separate categories. Like, for example, I have a lot of jeans orders and then I have a lot of ones that I have to screen print. So yeah, this is just me organizing them. After I have them divided into all the categories, then, for example, let's say I have four black jeans, then I'll just go to my jeans section, which I already organized when I get all my products in bulk. So I just grab four jeans in size medium, make sure I grab the packing slips, and then I go to my packing station and I just arrange them over there. And yeah, my orders for the denims are like really simple. Of course, now for people that have been following the brand, they know that I'm slowly transitioning from screen printing to more ready-made products from China. Because like the screen printing just I enjoyed it and it got me a lot of sales, but it just took up way too much of my time and energy. And I found that like I wasn't being really productive. I was doing like all the hard labor, but I wasn't really growing the brand. I wasn't able to because I was doing screen printing the whole day. So yeah, outsourcing my products and getting them from China definitely helped me, and it's still helping me grow the brand. So yeah, this is gonna be like my first complete year getting products across the sea. So yeah, we'll see how it goes. Done. So now I'll just leave this here and then I'll go package them into the actual poly mailers later. Hello? Right there, you can see the CN Tower. Barely, but you can still see it. But this view, crazy.
We're in a random store at the mall, but I don't know what the name is.
And what are we doing?
I'm leaving for a work trip to Boston tomorrow, and I need to find some work clothes.
Repeat what you just said.
Babe, stop! I can't even get this off. No.
Like a chicken
Hatching?
hatching from its little egg. Hey, now what are we doing?
I was feeling like having Indian food, so we came to this Indian place. I've had Indian food in a few months.
And did I want to have Indian food or no? So why did we come here?
We saw outside, it said Hakka food, which is your favorite food as well. So it was a perfect mix.
Time to review these bad boys. Can you hold this, please?
Yeah, let me get this clip. These up good.
Whoa.
Whoa, look at them. Wait, I want to try it too. This is what it looks like.
Cheers. Alright.
5-second rule. Cheers. Wait, those are good. Oh no. Oh no.
Oh my god.
Babe, stop.
That's so good.
Babe.
Wait, that's actually good though. I'm not even joking. What are you giving it out of 10?
9.
I'm gonna give it a 9.
You're only copying my ratings.
Tristan, not Swedish berries. Should we finish packing?
Yeah.
So I've got back and I am now packing orders. It's pretty simple. The jeans are already in their first bag, so I just put it in the custom poly mailer bag. Bring the packing slip plus a thank you card, put it in the bag, seal it, and then just stick the label on top. And yeah, rinse and repeat really. Finished packing. I know it may not look like a lot, but it actually is. Maybe like 40, 50 orders here. To be fair, packing jeans are pretty easy because it's already packed in that first bag. And all I have to do is just add the packing label and a thank you card. And yeah, that's pretty much it. Yeah, that's pretty much the end of the video. I know it was a short one, but it's like my first YouTube video in a long time, so it's probably gonna be, yeah, that's why it was just short. But yeah, leave like in the comment if you want. Let me know what other kind of content you want to see from me. Like if you want more clothing brand stuff or more fashion stuff, or thrifting or just stuff like that. And yeah, also I know I didn't show my face a lot in the video, but it's because I had a sty recently. You can tell by looking at my left eye. It's a bit swollen on top, but yeah, it's toward like the end of it. So yeah, my face will be in the video a lot in the video next time. And yeah, see you.